welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna share to you a recipe that is good for elders, to those people who are health conscious. So this is the best recipe, guys, that you must continue watching. So welcome to my grandma's kitchen. Sorry, I was busy in editing, so I haven't cleaned the mess yet, so just bear with me. So let's turn on the gas. As you can see, guys, I put salt in the water before boiling, or you can add salt when the water already boiled, because it has been studied that water boils easily without salt in it. So the salt will make the water boil a little bit longer. In cooking soup, use mineral water. Do not use tap water because the taste is matabang siya, guys. So you don't have to add any monosodium glutamate like Ajinomoto or magic syrup. I'm promoting a soup that is healthy for our body and also perfect for elders. Because right now, guys, I'm in my grandparents' place and I'm taking care of them, and there are many restrictions on their diet. So that's the secret, guys. So these are the ingredients of today's fish soup recipe. So konti lang, guys, yung gagawin natin kasi tatlo lang kami kakain. So we have here some Chinese cabbage, some onion leaves or spring onions. This one is squash, tomatoes, onions, just a single garlic, then bell peppers, and then the lemongrass. You can also add ginger on it, but since I don't have available right now, so it's okay. So let's put all the ingredients here. Garlic, onions, tomatoes, next is bell peppers. Then if you have ginger, guys, you add ginger. It's more tasty if there is ginger, para mawala yung sa extra. Guys, I'm just using one hand. So boil it for about 4 minutes, so let's cover it. Now the water is boiling. So it's been boiling for about 2 minutes now. So cooking soup, use mineral water. Do not use the normal tap water from our faucets, though it's potable, but the taste will be different. So compared to if you are going to use purified drinking water. And don't forget to add salt before adding all the ingredients. So that's the secret, guys, my mother's secret on how she makes her soup very tasty, even if there is no like additives
that is bad for our body.
It's already tasty. So this recipe is perfect for elders, so that's why I'm proud of sharing it. I just found that it's nice to share this idea to everyone, because we need these when we get older. We will become more careful with our health and we became more conscious. That's why I believe that this recipe is very useful to us. So keep on watching, guys. Enjoy. It's about almost it's 3 minutes now, so let's go ahead and add the fish. So I will just put 4 slices of it because it's It's only good for our lunch. Enough for our lunch. And I'm gonna boil it together with the lemongrass. So let's add the lemongrass, guys. Let's boil it until the fish will almost cook. Then we will add the onion leaves and Chinese cabbage. So, okay, and let's cover it. And let's boil it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, we are now about, we'll boil the fish for about 3 minutes now. So let's go ahead and add the Chinese cabbage, or maybe this is lettuce. So let's go and let's boil it for about a minute or two to be cooked together with the fish that will be fully cooked. Then we will add the onion leaves. Let me just chop this down. So let's boil it for 1 minute. So now let's try. Wow, so yum. So let's add the onion leaves. So guys, I'm just using one hand right now because no one can, and I'm just using my phone. I'm doing this. And there you go, guys. Let me just taste it, see if wow, it's a little bit sweet. It has enough salt. No need to add more. It's perfect, guys. See that it's cooked now. See the lemongrass, it's very healthy. So okay, enjoy your lunch, guys, or your meal for today. Hope you like this video and this recipe, and I'm happy to share it with you. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more cooking video like this, and I will keep on improving as soon as I found a beautiful place for me to do my cooking tutorial with you. So God bless, guys. See you. Have a nice day. Wow, so yum. Okay, bye.